This soldering wick and soldering paste can remove components from circuit boards. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In addition to the wick and the paste, you also get a plunger, 3 additional applicators in addition to the one that's on there, and safety covers. Soldering wick might also be referred to as soldering braid or desoldering braid. It's all the same thing. It's small strips of copper braided into this thin strip. Here's a circuit board, and if I wanted to remove this component, I would have to take the solder away from these 2 contacts. The process involves taking your soldering iron and the wick, and the solder will jump onto this wick, removing the solder. If it's a little bit tricky to get all the solder off or it's taking too long, you could use the soldering paste. This will loosen things up and help streamline the process. Use the tip that will work for you if you want to change it out. These have screw threads. You can add your desired one on there, remove the bottom, add the plunger. Now you can get soldering paste exactly where it needs to be. This kit gives you all the materials you need to get the job done. I like that it's all included. It's good for all skill levels, whether you are a DIYer or an experienced electronics technician, anywhere in between, this can get the job done.